Hello guys, today I'm doing a unboxing on
One hour later.
Hello YouTube, today I'm doing an unboxing on my new scooter deck and wheels and headset. So I've already cut open the box, so let's get into it. So straight out I got the Rui Airs. I got the Apex headset, silver, and the Rui Airs are black on blue. Some stickers, the Apex cutout grip tape, and last but not least, the Apex deck in blue. I got the, I think it was 20.9 or something like that, I'm not sure. So, there's the wheels. Alright, there we are. Got her out the packaging. That was a pain. So that's the deck. Looks pretty good. Alright, so that's the unboxing. Now there'll be another video of me putting it together with my other scooter parts. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.